Hello. Welcome to my English practice channel. Today, we are learning 100 simple phrases for the coffee shop. I will say the phrase twice. There will be a short pause for you to repeat after me. Let's begin comfortably and slowly. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. Can I get a small coffee? Can I get a small coffee? A medium latte, please. A medium latte, please. Make it a large, please. Make it a large, please. What sizes do you have? What sizes do you have? Is that the biggest one? Is that the biggest one? Just a regular size. Just a regular size. A tall drip coffee. A tall drip coffee. A grande, please. A grande, please. With whole milk, please. With whole milk, please. Do you have oat milk? Do you have oat milk? I'd like soy milk. I'd like soy milk. Is there almond milk? Is there almond milk? Non-fat milk, please. Non-fat milk, please. Just a splash of milk. Just a splash of milk. Leave room for cream. Leave room for cream. Extra hot, please. Extra hot, please. Is it dairy-free? Is it dairy-free? No foam, please. No foam, please. To go, please. To go, please. For here, please. For here, please. I'll have it stay. I'll have it stay. Can I get a lid? Can I get a lid? Can I have a tray? Can I have a tray? A sleeve for the cup. A sleeve for the cup. I'll drink it now. I'll drink it now. In a paper cup. In a paper cup. In a ceramic mug. In a ceramic mug. I have my own cup. I have my own cup. My name is. My name is. It's marked with a K dot. It's marked with a K dot. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Is my order ready? Is my order ready? That's it, thanks. That's it, thanks. I'm waiting for a latte. I'm waiting for a latte. Where do I pick it up? Where do I pick it up? Is this mine? Is this mine? That's for me. That's for me. I didn't order this. I didn't order this. 2 sugars, please. 2 sugars, please. No sugar for me. No sugar for me. Is there honey? Is there honey? 1 pump of vanilla. 1 pump of vanilla. Is it very sweet? Is it very sweet? Extra caramel, please. Extra caramel, please. Can I have Splenda? Can I have Splenda? Sugar-free syrup, please. Sugar-free syrup, please. With whipped cream. With whipped cream. No topping, please. No topping, please. Iced coffee, please. Iced coffee, please. Easy on the ice. Easy on the ice. Extra ice, please. Extra ice, please. No ice, please. No ice, please. A cold brew, please. A cold brew, please. Is it blended? Is it blended? Can I have a straw? Can I have a straw? A large, iced tea. A large, iced tea. Is this sweetened? Is this sweetened? I'd like a refresher. I'd like a refresher. I'll have a muffin. I'll have a muffin. Can you warm it up? Can you warm it up? A warmed croissant. A warmed croissant. Just a bagel, please. Just a bagel, please. With cream cheese. With cream cheese. Is there butter? Is there butter? What pastries are left? What pastries are left? I'll take this cookie. I'll take this cookie. Is it gluten-free? Is it gluten-free? Any vegan options? Any vegan options? How much is that? How much is that? Do you take cards? Do you take cards? I'm paying with cash. I'm paying with cash. Apple Pay, please. Apple Pay, please. Keep the change. Keep the change. Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt? I'll pay by phone. I'll pay by phone. Is the tip included? Is the tip included? Where is the scanner? Where is the scanner? The card declined. The card declined. Where are the napkins? Where are the napkins? I need a stirrer. I need a stirrer. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? What's the password? What's the password? Are there outlets? Are there outlets? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Where is the trash? Where is the trash? Can I have water? Can I have water? Where are the spoons? Where are the spoons? This is cold. This is cold. I asked for oat milk. I asked for oat milk. This isn't mine. This isn't mine. Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? I spilled my drink. I spilled my drink. Can I have a bag? Can I have a bag? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Have a great day. You too. You too. See you later. See you later. Well done. You practiced 100 phrases toda. Why? Your English is getting better every day. Why? Keep it clear, calm, and easy. If this video helped you feel calmer about speaking English, please subscribe to join our community. Why? Your support helps me create more lessons for you. If you have a specific work situation you need help with, please leave a comment below. I read every one of them. Thank you for spending your time with me today.